Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing part of this forklift truck over here. So let's continue it. So very first of all, I already have a reference over here. So what we'll be doing over here is like, first of all, we'll be assigning the texture on this seats over here. Let's go into material and let's give a fabric texture over here. So let's go into the material over here, press N. So let's go into this and let's take a V-Ray material over here. Let's go into diffuse, bitmap and forklift truck, folder, texture, and let's go into this and let's give a fabric texture. So we need to give a fabric texture over here. So we can assign a fabric texture to it. So we can just preview this. So let's just assign this texture over here and let's just name it as fabric over here. Once you've assigned it, let's go into the modifier list and give a UVW map and let's just set it as a box over here. So once you have assigned this, we'll be assigning the color over here. For this, let's take a V-Ray material. Let's go into diffuse, take a eyedropper tool and just fill a color. So what we need to do over here is like, let's add some loops over here. So let's keep on adding the loops over here. Alright, so let's go into this and let's give a modifier called mesh smooth. So you can easily use a mesh smooth modifier over here, convert to editable poly over here. Let's again go into this and let's just keep on adding some loops over here. So we can just easily make it much more smoother over here. So let's again go into this and give a mesh smooth over here. Okay, so if you require to give a mesh smooth, you can give it. If it is not required, we can just off that. Now what we can do over here is like, let's go into the polygons over here. Let's select this polygons. Select this polygons over here. So after selecting this polygons over here, let's go into the material, take again a V-Ray material and let's give a glass over here. So let's just give a full refraction. Diffuse if you want to give it as a black color, and IOR you can go up to 2 over here and let's just assign it as a glass. So once you're done, press Ctrl I, that is for inverse. So let's just inverse this elements over here. So let's just inverse all of this. Oops, you need to assign a glass over here also. So let's again go into material and let's give a satin material, a metal material. So let's go into diffuse, go into the bitmap and let's just preview some of the materials over here. If you want to go with any of the material, you can go with any of the material. So I think we can go with this material if you want. So we can go with this metal texture over here and let's give a bit of reflection. And also let's go into this Fresnel reflections, reduce this Fresnel reflections and reduce it. Alright, So once you are done, let's again go into this modifier and give a UVW map and set it as a box over here. So in whatever way you like, you can go with that. So let's again select this polygons over here, select this polygon over here, go into the material and let's just give a glass material to it. So you can easily give such kind of a glass material over here. Save your file, that's very important. After that, let's select this part over here. So if you think that the texture is stretching up, what I can do over here is like, I can again go into this and give a UVW map, and you can just convert it to readable font. Now looks much better. So wherever the texture you feel that it's stretching up, you can use that stuff. Now let's select this part. Again go into the material over here. Let's take a V-Ray material. Go into diffuse. Go into bitmap. So let's go with this. So this is better. Assign it. We'll be assigning the same texture. Let's give again a UVW map. Set it as a box over here. So after you have assigned this, you can just use this mapping stuff. Go into material and let's give a bit of reflect, and same work with Fresnel reflections. Alright, that's it. So we are going with some other materials, not a problem. If you want to go in that way, you can go with that way also. And if you want to give a normal metal texture with a color part, we can go with that also. So let's go into this. Let's take a V-Ray material, just give a darker color, give a bit of reflect and reduce this R glossiness, and you can just assign that. That's it. So once you're done, so whatever texture you want to give, you can go with that, not a problem. Over here. So if you want to unwrap something, you can go with the unwrapping also. Let's again take a V-Ray material over here. Go into the bitmap. We'll go with the sphere texture. And let's again give a UVW map, and that just fit that. So whatever texture you want to give, you can go with that texture. It's all your choice over here. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.